Hello, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party, and it is July 27th, 2026. I just got some amazing news. About to be a grandfather for a second time. It's been a long time in coming, but we're there. We have a beautiful granddaughter now, and then another one coming. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so we got our star that I talked about getting yesterday. And this is it. I think it's really cool. Definitely like how, like when you, like if you were to mix it like this, it kind of looks just very like almost like it's dropping. This would be so nice to have like a physics engine and kind of do this. I think I would, and then like I think there's a word called extrude, which means to take this and make it a little thicker, which is pretty cool. It'd be nice to have that. Anyways, so that is that. I just asked ChatGPT to write the code for me. I just gave it a copy of like this function, and I just, can you make me one that will make a star? And this is what it came up with. I really like its code. Um, I don't know about X and Y. Move to X. I guess it's just X position, Y position. I guess that makes sense. And it does this. I never really figured it out, like why. But I guess we could make the star bigger by making the outer radius bigger. 3. So we'll do that. Flip back over. Should take it a second to build. And it won't be, when it's done, it won't be spinning anymore. There we go. And so now it's like kind of tall and skinny. And I guess what we could do is then make this like, I made it like, I don't know, 1.8, I guess is a good. So we increase both by 1. Yeah, I actually like that. That's a nice start too. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for at any given time. But anyways, that is awesome, awesome blossom. It's times like this, I wish I was an artist. Or, but anyways, the code, yeah, really, honestly, like I just commented out all these mesh pushes, only push one, and left the other code as is. So since it only has one item, every second it just replaces the one with the other one, which I would imagine JavaScript figures that out pretty quick. It's great. Oh, I didn't realize I could control. What if I make it a 4 point? I didn't even notice that I could change the number of points. Okay, so that's a 4 pointed star, which is pretty cool. And then 6 points. 7 points. I mean, this is like incredible. I think that looks really awesome. 8 points. So that would be pretty cool. Actually, if you want to do like a snow scene, this would be like perfect because then like you could have different numbers of wing of star points, right? You could have all kinds of star points. I do like that look a lot better. Let's see, what if I made it like 1.3? Wow, 0.4. That's another thing I guess you could add some randomness to is like how long, and you could just have all kinds of different stars just floating around, rotating in all kinds of different ways. It could be very, very pleasant. And then like if you had lighting and stuff like that, like lighting and different materials that were reflective and things like that, it could be really, really cool. I don't know if there's any more to do in this shape thing. I guess the next one will be to like extrude this. I guess I want to go back to a 5-sided star. Um, and just like extrude this into a thicker thing. So maybe give it like a depth of 1 or a half or something, and then see what that's like. That'll probably be what I do tomorrow. Um, because I can't really think of anything else to do. And then really, there's really, I don't think with extrude, I guess it would, yeah, I can't really think of much else to do with that. Um, anyways, happy coding, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Yay, I'm a big grandpa. Bye.